sometimes it's very difficult to find good stocks to trade during the pre-market. I'm going to show you what I do on those days. Today I didn't really see much I liked during the pre-market. The only thing I saw was MU, which had gapped up to about 3% and had pretty good volume. But outside of that, I didn't see much I liked. So I just decided to watch NVDA, AMD, Tesla. These are stocks that always trade well. They have a high average trading range, so you can usually find good setup. But for now, I was watching MU, and unfortunately, I'd missed a strong opening move, but I was hoping to catch a bounce off the Vwap here. And so I was watching MU, hopefully it would reject here and go back up towards the high of the day. Now, when I started looking at it though, it didn't really seem that strong, and it really was struggling here at the Vwap. So I started thinking, well, I guess I'm going to have to do something else. So I started thinking about other traded years, and I'm going to start deciding to go look at my other takers. And so MU is just kind of falling apart here. No trade set up for me. But that doesn't mean our trading day is done. I flip over to AMD. Now AMD had a similar setup to MU that was very strong at the open, and now it had returned to the Vwap. But I see here it actually had a much stronger level too, with lots of orders to the upside. So I decided if I reject Vwap again here, I should take it long for a quick scalp. I don't want it to move long. You know, it's not the greatest marks today, kind of choppy. Let me just try and get a 3-to-1 and be done. So if it can reject the Vwap here, I'm going to target those big orders around 222, maybe get just above there, and I'll have a good risk forward set. So it does reject the Vwap, and I get in low here at around 221.10. My stop loss just below the Vwap. So it's got 40 cents away, which means I need to get to about 222.30 in order to make this a 3-to-1 trade. So for me on a day like this, that's perfect. That would be about a 1.5% increase to my equity, which is a very good day, and I only have to do one trade to take it. But it's not always that easy. So we see here AMD really struggled and almost made it to my price target, but it didn't hit it. Now I didn't give up, I didn't bail, I didn't take partial profits there. I need to maintain that good risk to reward. So right now I'm staying in the trade, and it's actually looking maybe like it's gonna get there. Maybe we can crack it, but here it goes down. But again, we're still only at break even. There's still not a lot of orders to the downside, still big orders to the upside. So I'm still in this trade, and here we go. Look at that one nice big move, and we're almost there, and there we hit it. So I waited all the way to the very end until I hit my profit target. And that's just a quick scalp and a good way to make trading when the market's not the greatest. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.